go fucking die somewhere. If you look at me one more time like that, I'm just gonna stick my dick in your mouth until you choke. I fucking hate you.
Say stuff.
And you little ugly baby. Wait, did you have sex with a mutant to have that face?
No.
What kind of good though, eh?
What's that?
What kind of good though?
Fuck kind of good.
What kind of good though, right?